Terumot Perek Vav Mishnah Dalet, fourth Mishnah in the sixth chapter of Terumot. Hagonev Terumah v'lo achla. So now we're talking about a case in the previous Mishnah. We talked about someone who consumed Terumah, and you have to pay Keren and Chomesh. But let's say a person didn't consume it yet. We'll get there. But Hagonev Terumah, he stole Terumah v'lo achala. And so we know that if a person steals, he has to pay what's called kefel. So the Mishnah says, Mishalem tashlume kefel demei Terumah. He has to pay back. He stole it. Let's say he stole it from a Kohen. So he stole from the Kohen. He has to pay back the Kohen demei Terumah, what he stole, plus kefel. But the value of the Terumah is only in the price that the Terumah costs. Because the Terumah market, since it's only bought by Kohanim, is less expensive than the same amount of produce of Chulin. So he pays Tashlume Kefel demei Terumah. Achla. So I stole it. Okay. So now I owe kefel. But now that I ate it, I ate what I stole. So I owe kefel, but I also have to pay keren v'chomesh. So he says the following: Mishalem shnei kranim v'chomesh. So you remember, like we said, kefel. Kefel is twice keren, twice the original value. Here in this case, if I stole it and then ate it, I have to pay 2 kranim and a chomesh. Keren v'chomesh min achulin. So let's say I stole a pound of wheat, okay, and then I ate it in a pound of wheat of truma. So I have to pay 2 kranim. The first keren I have to pay min achulin. I have to take a pound of chulin and then make it into truma, a pound plus a fourth, which is a total fifth, a keren and a chomesh from chulin, which is more expensive. And that's because I ate it. Because remember, when I eat something, as we learned before, I have to pay from a chulin. I have to take chulin and make it into truma. The keren to make truma, and the second keren I have to pay for kefel. That's to make truma. I can pay the value of a pound of truma wheat, which is going to be less than a pound of chulin. Next case, ganav trumat hegdesh ve'achala. Let's say I stole trumat hegdesh. What's trumat hegdesh? Let's look at the Bartanura. Shehigdish hakohen truma lebedek abayit. I gave a pound of truma to the Kohen. And he said, wow, so great, I don't need it. I'm going to give it to the Beit HaMikdash. I'm making it hegdish. So I stole truma at hegdish and I ate it. So in this case, so what's the rule about eating hegdish? So there, the rule about eating hegdish, the Kahati says, the rule about eating hegdish is he's chayav, keren, and chomesh. Again, just like so he ate something that's both truma and hegdish. So in this case, mishalem shnei chomashim v'keren. He pays 1 keren, but not 2 chomashim. Why? 1 chomesh he pays for truma, and 1 he pays for kachim. She'ein behegdesh shel shumei kefil. He only pays keren once because there's no kefil. Let's look at the Bartanura just to finish this out. Shnei chamashim, 2 additional fifths or quarters. Chad mishum ochel truma. 1 he has to pay for ochel truma. V'chad mishum ne'ena min hegdesh, and 1 he has to do it for benefiting from hegdesh. Aval kefil behegdesh like there's no kefil for hegdesh because it says Yishalem shnayim l're'ehu. If I steal from my friend, then I have to pay him back double. Below the hegdish, there's no kefil. So in the end, he pays 1.5. 1 plus a fourth, which is really a fifth. You know what I mean. We'll stop here. Any comments or questions, as always, arspolter@gmail.com. We'll dedicate the learning of this Mishnah to the memory of my father, of Simcha ben Yitzchak Kalman. Have a good day.